Hello friends, today we'll learn subsets, supersets and power sets. So let's start. So subset, what is a subset? Okay, so let A and B be two sets, then B is said to be a subset of A if, what is the condition? Condition is for all x belongs to B implies x belongs to A. Okay, so in diagrammatic form, if we consider, suppose this is A. Okay, if there is another set B which is contained in A, then we say B is a subset of A. Similarly, we can show that if this is the condition, suppose this is A. Okay, if we have another set which is entirely contained in A except few portion, suppose this is B, then in that case B is not a subset of A. Okay, so if B is a subset of A, then we write B subset A or B at A. I am using this or loosely because this is called proper subset. Now if A is this one and B is properly contained in A, then B is a subset of A. Now when we use this one, it may happen that B is equal to A or B is a proper subset of, means we cannot decide whether B is a subset of, B is properly contained in A or B is equal to A. If we confused about these two options, in that case we write usually subset of. Okay, but if you are sure that B is exactly contained in A, means there is an element in A which is not contained in B, then obviously B is smaller in size and contained in A, so B is properly contained in A, means B is a proper subset of A. In that case we use this symbol. Okay, now come to the next, that is superset. Now what is a superset? This is same as saying subset in that opposite direction. Let A and B be two sets, then A is said to be a superset of B if X does not belongs to A implies X does not belongs to B. Okay, in that case we write A superset of B. The same as, because this is same as saying X belongs to, X belongs to B implies X belongs to A. Logically these two statement are same. Okay, so we write superset if B is properly contained in A. Now another is power set. Now what is a power set? Let A be a set, then the set of all the subsets of A is called a power set. It is denoted by P of A. Okay, now the set of all subsets, if we consider all the subsets of A including the empty set and the set itself, then that collection of subsets forms another set. This set is called power set. We denote it by this. Let us explain this with an example. if A is equal to 1, 2 and 3, then power set of A is nothing but empty set first, then the whole set. These are called improper subsets of A. Okay, they are trivially subset. Empty set is always a subset of any set, and the set itself is again a subset. And other subsets are okay. So this is a power set. You see here, cardinality of A is 3 and the cardinality of power set is 8, which is again can be written as 2 cube, that is same as 2 to the power mod A. So we have a formula that if mod A equal to n, then mod of this mod means I'm loosely saying this mod means cardinality of this one is 2 to the power n. Okay, this is a point. The another point is if A is empty, means containing no element, then power set contains the single element, that is the set itself. Okay, in that case it has how many elements? Mathematically 2 to the power empty set containing zeros elements, 2 to the power 0, that is 1. So this is power set.